10 lines on water. Water is very essential for our life. There is no life without water. We use water for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and many other purposes. We get water from many sources like rivers, rain, lakes, etc. 70% of the earth area is covered with water. Water is equally important for humans as well as animals. Plants need water to survive and make food. Water is essential for domestic, agricultural, and industrial purposes. Water is required for all living things in the world. We should avoid wasting water.